Okay, gentlemen, here we are in our gum book. We're going to go over some of the homework I assigned to you from chapter 6. This is on pronoun usage. Hope you're all doing well. If you wish, you can follow the link to my YouTube channel where I encourage you to subscribe and like these videos. Okay. One thing I wanted to highlight for you is I'm here in page 111 in our gum book, which was not a page I assigned, but I want to tell you about it because it's a page in our gum book that has the three cases of the pronouns in English, right? So we have them organized according to nominative case, which is, as we remember, subjects and predicate nominatives. We have them for the objective case, which, as we remember, is DO, IO, and OP. Okay, and then we have them for the possessive. And the possessive, remember, they don't serve as DOs, IOs, or OPs, or subjects or predicate nominatives. They can't do those jobs because possessives are essentially expressing ownership over another noun or pronoun. Okay, so just so you know, whenever you're using your gum book, you can always flip back to page 111 if you're looking for, first person plural objective. Well, it's there. Second person plural possessive. Well, it's there, right? You've always got this here as a resource. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the pages I actually assigned for you. We started here on page 112. This is something that we should be getting very comfortable with as a question style where we are given two options in parentheses and we have to choose the correct option. Okay. Now, right here, guys, follow the directions. Okay. They're telling you this is all nominative case. Okay. Nominative case. Every one of these is going to be in the nominative case. But it's also asking us, and this is good review for us, to identify whether the nominative case pronoun is a subject or a predicate nominative. Remember, those are the only two things it can be, okay? But we're always going to be picking the nominative pronoun, all right? Vince and he. Well, we need the nominative. It's the subject, right? They are the ones playing bridge. Either Theo or I will be the punter for the football team. The verb is will be, and so I is the subject of that, okay? I'm sure that the woman who painted the portrait was she. The verb is was, who or what was, portrait was what? Remember, we can replace that with an equal sign too. Portrait equals she, okay? So that means she is the predicate nominative there, okay? We or us left the gate unlocked. Well, it's the subject. We're the ones who left the gate, okay? Neither Han Ling nor he has taken a course in calligraphy. It's he because it's the subject. They are the ones who have not taken the course in calligraphy, all right? The partners with the highest scores were we. Who or what were? Partners were. Partners were what? Partners were we. Equal sign, it's a predicate nominative. I know that might sound a little unusual to you because most people don't speak like this. Most people, when we speak, we use the objective case after a linking verb. It's incorrect, but it's becoming more acceptable because people do it. One place it's definitely not acceptable is in Loyola's English 1, English 2, Honors English 2, and basically any other English course you take. So this is the way proper English is spoken. Even if it sounds a little funny, just remind yourself it is a nominative because we have a linking verb here. Okay. The people who requested my address were they. Okay. People is the subject. People were they. So it is the predicate nominative there. They is the predicate nominative. People is the subject. Angelo knew that the people in the horse costume were they. Okay. Again, it's a linking verb. We can replace it with the equal sign. That means it can't be an object. It's got to be a PN. All right. You and she deserve a lot of credit. That's the subject. And he and Marianne became finalists in the tennis tournament. That's the subject. Okay? All right. So these ones down here, don't let these confuse you guys. Sometimes there's more than one correct answer. But what we have to do is we have to give a personal pronoun in the nominative case. Okay? So let's see here. Do blank and we have some research to do on Hopi culture? Well, let's just put in she. Do she and we have some research? Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, it's not a normal thing you would say, but, it's a subject. The leader of our study group is, how about I? And that's a predicate nominative. We could also put she in there or he. Neither they nor we should use periodicals? Sure, why not? Most important thing is it's the subject. Both she and I will write about contemporary art? Good, that sounds good. That's also a subject. The student who researched the bombing of Hiroshima were, why not? Let's just say we. And that's a PN because it's coming after the linking verb there. Okay? So that's page 112, guys. Pretty straightforward. Those were all nominative case. We're going to move now to an objective one, and then we will move to possessive. All right? Go ahead and like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is a hot channel.